What's up, anglers and anglets? It's your boy Sven and welcome back to my channel. I know. Sven, where the heck have you been? Well, honestly, I've just been really busy with work. So busy that I actually haven't even had time to do any fishing whatsoever for the past several months. So for today, I'm just gonna save that long announcement for next time. For now, let's just do some fishing. We don't have that much sunlight left, so enough duping around. Let's just see what fishy boys we can catch. There is a very good chance this is gonna turn into a night video. Apologies in advance. It's still definitely a beautiful day though. We got some nibbles. Not great ones, but definitely nibbles. Look at it go. Come on, fishy. You on? Might be on. Feels very small. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's on, but it's barely fighting. All right, first fish of the day. Looks like a dinky yellowfin croaker. Love catching these guys. A very fitting catch for the first time back fishing, if I do say so myself. This guy is so dinky. But look at how nice and vibrant his yellow fins are. All right, let's get you back. Thanks for playing, Mr. Yellowfin. Let's see if we can catch another one. Wow, I can barely see anything anymore. But let's just cast right there. That's a good spot. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. Like I said, we're just gonna keep this video very simple. I'm not even really sure if there's anything for me to talk about right now. Actually, there is. The current game plan. After this video is out, I don't even know how many backlog videos there is still to edit. But once we get through that, then it'll be the actual announcement video. We got some nibbles. Come on, fishy. Hello? Oh yeah, something's definitely on it. Is it a sea pancake? Nice, it's a sea pancake. Look at this pancake boy. He's got some very pretty colors. Look at that little tinge of pink. Why are you, a rainbow trout? And as usual, always be careful of their strike zone, which is right above them. Let's get you on back, Mr. Pancake. Thanks for playing. We're 2 for 2 right now. Let's see if we can keep the train going. Oh yeah, that was a nice cast. You know what? While we're at it, let's also try something new. Why don't we do a little Q&A? If you guys have any questions you'd like to ask, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. Not sure how many questions I'm gonna answer. Whoa. I don't know, it's a fish though. That was really weird. Maybe some kelp? Oh, nope, it feels like a fish. It's taking drag. Nice, another sea pancake. This guy tackled it. You're a crazy pancake, aren't you? Calm down. I'm gonna get you back. Easy, pancake, easy. There you go. Perfectly safe when they're lying down like that. Just be careful of the stinger as always. This one's got some nice pinkish hues too. I've noticed that these guys have a little bit of variety between them. Always nice to see what color they are when they come up. Thanks for playing, Mr. Sea Pancake. Back you go. You know what? Let's just call it there. It's getting pretty late and I got work tomorrow. We caught 3 fish today. Honestly, not bad for a back at it again session. But yeah, if you got any questions you'd like to ask for the Q&A, drop it in the comments down below. For those of you who are interested in what I've been up to, I don't want to leave you guys empty-handed. So I guess here's a small announcement. Your boy Sven's a ranger. Later. And of course, if you are going to do any type of jetty fishing or fishing on very uneven terrain, always take your time. Your safety is always your #1 priority. Can't fish if you get hurt. Also, fish where you're comfortable. If it doesn't seem like a good idea, it's probably not. Trust your instincts.
The good thing is whoever lit the fire cleared a lot of trash from the jetty. Less snags over here.
There's always a lot of trash in this jetty though.
So especially like after the rain.
When it gets washed out here. So it's good now?
Yeah, it's safe to walk by as long as you don't get sprayed by the hose.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Pretty much out. Okay, we'll probably burn itself out. Just a tiny flame. I think they might take one more pass at it.
Well, this is definitely an interesting night.